Marty, so we'll know that this is not a fishtail. Here's the new touchscreen monitor that I've got from, it's a Dell, it's a 21.5 inch, and it works really nice, really like it. Got a refurbished computer down there with a solid state drive, 16 gig of memory, quad core processors, runs it like a top. So this little piece of junk metal I've got in here, we're just going to take 20 thousandths off the top, go around the perimeter, change the tools, and then put a chamfer on it. So here we go. Moves over to the G28 tool change position. Tool's already in. Here we go. And we'll pause it and come back in a minute. And we're back. So the surface is just about finished. So we're going around the corner now. Now we're going to step over, same tool, and we'll do just a profile around the outside, 1/4 inch deep. The machine's actually very quiet. You don't hear the servos run at all. You hear the motor and the belt and the spindle, but that's it. Now across the end. Now we'll go tool change position. And we'll pause. Okay, so all I have to do to make this tool change thing work is when it comes over in the G28 call, I zero that dial under the existing tool. Then I move my dial, put in my new tool, and I raise or lower the knee and re-zero it. That way my tool height is exactly the same as it was. So I'm going to put a chamfer tool in. Okay, the chamfer tool is in, and as you can see, I've raised the knee to re-zero the dial. Now all I have to do is hit cycle start and let the big dog hunt. This is actually not the proper chamfer tool, but it's all I own at the present time. So it'll have to do. It's actually an 80-degree countersink tool. But it's working. Of course, the purpose of the exercise was to see if I could program the chamfer at the depth that I wanted and not gouge or make a whole bunch of boo-boos. So I did a very, very tiny chamfer on the edge of this, and it's working just fine. So okay, Marty, no more fishing stories. It works. And one of these days we'll get the Spindle encoder working again, and we'll be in business. There it is, all done. I had another tool, I'd just change it out right there. All right, y'all have a good day.